Now we will talk about the history of quality improvement. Quality improvement and methodologies are in the field over a long period. From very beginning, I can say from when the industrialization started. There are many methodologies like total quality management, Kaizen, Lean Six Sigma, statistical quality control, statistical process control, and so on. Lean Six Sigma is the one important methodology nowadays. Many organizations have successfully applied and got a very good success in controlling the variations in the product and process. Many organizations have applied, but they have not got the success the way it is the other organizations got the success. The history of process improvement, various methodologies are used like TM, EDV, TM, IDE, DM, EDE, DM, EDI, ICOB, IDDOB, DMAIC, like that. DMAIC is methodology like what I have specified, where D stands for define, M stands for measure, A stands for analyze, I stands for improve, and C stands for control. This methodology is very useful and applicable and considered as a part of Lean Six Sigma concept. Now we'll start with the chapter 3, that is define and measure. Define, start with the project selections. Project selection is a very important aspect. One has to develop some format, and that is given to stakeholders so that we can get a feedback in terms of the project proposals. Generally, this format contains a project statement. Then it contains what is the project goal. It also is having about process failure mode and effect analysis where required. The analyze phase covers two major sections. One is the exploratory data section analysis, and second one is a hypothesis testing. Now we'll talk about exploratory data analysis, which covers positional variations, cyclic variations, and temporal variations. There is a correlations method which gives the relations between two variables, and the value of correlation coefficient is lying between -1 to 1. Plus 1 plus variations gives a strong, +1 gives a strong relations, and -1 will give the negative relations. Linear regression is a is giving us is a straight line fitting of a data, which is y is equal to a plus bx, generally in that form. Now in this improve phase, we'll try to understand design of experiment, various aspects of design of experiment and terminology of design of experiment. Design of experiment is an experiment which is set by the experimenter, where there is a number of factors. In that factors there are a number of labels are there, and against that a controlled and at a particular value of labels, an experiment is conducted. Now what is a factor? Factor is that a variable. Factor, that is, say I want to have a car. So now car is a one factor. Then bicycle. So that is another factor. Now in car I have different models. So that those are the labels. Now we'll start control phase with the introduction of statistical process control. Statistical process control exists in the industry from a long time in a different way. From 1920 it was introduced. Many people contributed in developing statistical process control. Ultimately, the idea of statistical process control, that is the goal of process control, is control or to minimize the variations in the process. Whatever variations are coming in the process, that one has to minimize so that the output will be acceptable by the customer or stakeholders.